Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will be showing you how to download GTA 5 easily and safely. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your web browser. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser, whether it is Chrome, Firefox or Edge. Once your browser open, go to the search bar and type GTA 5 or GTA 5 Rockstar Games to ensure you are visiting the official website. Look for the official Rockstar Games website in the search results and click on it. Once you're on the Rockstar Games, simply click on this buy icon. Click on it and then select buy for PC. If there's a pre-giveaway or discount, you might find a deal here. Before downloading, you will need to sign into your Rockstar Games account. You can do this using your email or Google account. If you don't have an account, simply create one. Once you have completed the purchase or download process, follow the installation instruction and you're ready to play. That's it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.